In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Stream Deck with Kick, allowing you to perform actions like sending messages, clearing the chat, switching chat modes, such as sub-only, emote-only, and much more with ease. First, log in to Kicklet. If you haven't signed up for Kicklet yet, I'll link the video here on how to set everything up. Then we'll jump right in. First, click here on Profile and then on Settings. At the very bottom, you'll see API tokens. Click the plus icon and name your token, for example, Elgato. The name is just for your reference. Click Generate, and you'll have successfully created an API token. It's best to copy it to your clipboard now, as we'll need it in a moment. Next, click on the Kicklet Stream Deck plugin. I'll also link the page in the description. Here, you can download the Stream Deck plugin. Simply click on Open in Stream Deck, then select Open Stream Deck. As you can see, the Kicklet plugin has been successfully installed. Over here, you'll now see a variety of actions that you can perform using the plugin. For example, to send a message, simply drag the action over here. You'll see fields where you can enter a message and your API key. The API key is the one you created earlier. Just copy it and paste it here. For the message, you could write something like, "Join my Discord," along with your link. For the title, choose something that will help you recognize it later, like Discord. To test it out, I've opened Kick with my chat. Now, I'll press the Discord button I just created on my Stream Deck. As you can see, the message is successfully sent into the chat. However, there are many other actions available, like skipping songs, clearing the song list, or even clearing the chat. Let's quickly test one of these as well. Just drag the action over, enter the API key again, and perhaps label it Clear, so it's easy to recognize. Now, when I press the button on the Stream Deck, we see, boom, the chat is cleared. There's so much more you can do. For example, let's go back to Kicklet and navigate to My Commands. You can also use buttons to toggle commands on and off. I'll take the toggle command action and drag it in again. As always, paste in the API key. Then you can set whether the button will turn the command on or off. Name it something like BTCON and enter the command without the exclamation mark. In my case, simply BTC. You can duplicate the button by pressing Ctrl-C and then Ctrl-V on the button next to it. We'll name this one BTC Off and select Disable instead of Enable. Let's test if everything works. I use the command, and we can see it's enabled. I press my Command Off button and try again. It's disabled. I turn it back on via the Stream Deck, and it works again. One more cool feature to show you. You can combine actions however you like. For example, you can clear the chat and then send a message in the chat saying it's been cleared. To do this, right-click on an action and select Move to Multi-Action. Here, you can add multiple actions. Drag in Send Message, paste the API key again, and as the message, type something like Chat Cleared. Then go back and set an icon and name for the multi-action as you wish. Now, when I press the Clear button on my Stream Deck, you'll see that the chat is cleared and a message saying Chat Cleared is sent from Kicklet. You can combine this with any actions you like. For example, in the same multi-action, you could also add an automatic switch to sub-only mode. Then, as the message, you might write something like Anti-bot mode activated. Don't forget to enter the API key again and select Enable for sub-only mode. I can show you what this setup would look like. For example, here we can see my Kick chat, where a spammer bot has flooded the chat with multiple accounts. But when I click the multi-action on my Stream Deck, the chat is cleared, sub-only mode is activated, and a message appears saying that anti-bot mode has been activated. Combine actions however you like and set up your Stream Deck to perfectly suit your stream. If you should have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to join the Kicklet Discord with the link in the description and ask. That's it from me with the video. Please leave a like and a comment. See you next time.